like no one wants to keep a nasty house, so like that's important. Wait, have you ever been with somebody that had a nasty house?
Nah, I mean, nah. I had like, well.
Or you want to just move on? You want to plead the fifth?
Nah, I ain't. I ain't gotta say. I ain't gotta plead no fifth. Nah. It wasn't. I don't think I had nobody that had a nasty house. Like, I went with somebody that was careless. Like, I mean, I'm one of them guys too. You know, I had to change and shit. Like, I'm good at cleaning up, but it's tough for me to keep it clean. Like, but I gotten better. You know what I'm saying, at that. I believe, people that had that same problem. I ain't never had like fucking donut right here. You know what I'm saying? I ain't never had nothing like that.
Mm-hmm. I have. Man.
So was that a deal break? Like, what did that mean though? Like, just like,
bruh,
cool, but you got a dirty house?
Man, it wasn't dirty, it was filthy. Like, alright, this dude was fresh. When I mean fresh, I mean head to toe, popping tags right out the store, expensive clothes, everything. So he invites me over to his house. I walk in the door, it's just dog feces smell everywhere, and it's like newspaper with like piss and poop all on it, and then the floor is like, if this the floor is filled like at least to here with like trash. You like, it's dirty. Is the kitchen with it was filthy. Like, it wasn't nowhere to sit. And to this day, I feel like I was being punked.
see if she still fuck with me.
Right. Because it was that disgusting.
Damn. But did you still get cracked? Did you get cracked in that?
Cracked where? on top of the dog shit? Where am I get cracked at?
I don't believe you. You ain't get cracked.
Hell no. I ain't get cracked, hugged, nothing. No.
I believe I was a little junky and shit before. You know, it's probably some girls out there that say, "Yeah, he was junky as a motherfucker." You know what I'm saying? But
junky is one thing. Like, junky, you can like clean up, put everything back in its place. Everything have a home.
Mm-hmm.
Like, the floor was the trash can. This is how dirty this place was.
Right.
Like, it was disgusting.
He probably was cracking big chicks in that junk, because some people don't care about that shit.
Where you gonna lay at? I didn't even see the room. I can only imagine what the room looked like. If the kitchen is filthy, that means you don't even care about what go in your mouth, your stomach. Like,
yeah, you gotta clean the kitchen and the bathrooms. Yeah, most definitely.
Ugh.
And had clean sheets.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I ran into people that didn't even have sheets on that mouth.
Wait, did you crack them with no sheets on the bed?
Nah. You know what happened? It was a blanket. It was like no sheet, but it was a blanket there. So I didn't go raw on the mattress.
You put a blanket on top of a raw mattress.
No, I didn't. You know, it was just like.
This is it. But did like potato chip crumbs and stuff? You nasty, right?
Nah, yeah, it wasn't. I don't know, man.
You ain't care.
Yeah, I cared. I cared about that
So then why you go along with it?
because for one, where I'm gonna go then? Now, you know what I'm saying? I ain't drive. Like, we're gonna be like, hey, take me home. I ain't doing that. I wasn't doing that.
So
I'm not that
one
blunt.
for the team.
Yeah, she tried. She took that blanket. I ain't ashamed. I wasn't about to lay on just the mattress.
So what you cover up with?
She just put the motherfucking blanket down. You know what I'm saying? And then like a motherfucking torpedo. Get that motherfucking
burrito. Y'all was like a burrito.
It was a pretty good. It was a little quality too. A little blanket, little slave meat.
So you remember the fabric of the
remember
blanket?
being heavy because she was. So it had to have been one of them Target jokes. $750 Target joke. It don't come with sheets or nothing. Just got quilt on it. It just say quilt on that motherfucker.